So hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I will be explaining the problem minimum operations to half array sum. So pretty simple problem. It was asked in today's bi-weekly contest 74, and I think this problem doesn't deserve to be the number 3 problem. It should be at number 2, and I think the number 2 problem was harder than this. So anyway, I hope you have read this problem well, but let's go quickly. So I will be explaining by a whiteboard if necessary, and then I will be coding it. This is the methodology. And so the problem is saying is that you have been given a nums array, and you have to you have certain operations. You have to take any number and you have to half it, and you have to keep on doing this until you get at least half of the sum. You get less than half of the initial sum. So here, as you can see, let's take this example 51981. So the idea to solve this problem will be 51981 51981. So this is our array. So its sum is 33. Okay, so the idea will be so if I want to get reduce this in minimum number of operations, then it will be the best course of action will be to take the largest operation. So suppose if this number was, let's say, 1000, and the whole sum would have been, let's say, something like 1050. Okay, so if you have, and its half will be what, 400, no, 525. Okay, so if you want to get to 525 in the quickest possible way, then the best will be course of action will be to in this array take the highest number and half it. Okay, so if you have to, you can take 100 and you can half it 500. Okay, so this is the action. So for example, let's get back to the original problem. So in this case, 19 is the biggest number, so you half it, you make it 9.5, and you have taken one operation. Then the sum will be what, 5, 8, 13, 14, 14 and 9, 23, 23.5, 25, 3.5, which is greater than what, half, 16.5. Okay, so again you see which is the biggest number now. Then it will be again be 9.5. So you further reduce it to 4.75. This is the second operation, and you reduce 4.75 from 23.5. It becomes something 23.5 minus 4, 19 point something. Then you see which is the next biggest number in this array. So it will be 8. So you take 8, you make it 4, you increase the number of operation, you reduce 4 from 19 point something, and it will become something like 15 point something. So this way you get the answer. So the best data structure to solve this problem will be using a priority queue. So what a priority queue does is that it will always store the maximum number at the top. Okay, I will suggest that you should study about priority queue, the implementation, how it works. It will be a better thing. Okay, you can just Google it. Okay, but I will be using priority queue data structure. So let's write priority underscore QUEUE, priority queue, and also I will be using double PQ, double because I mean the answer can go into decimals, so that's why int won't fulfill our necessities. So double, I will make a variable double sum is equal to 0. Now I will start for int I is equal to 0, I less than nums dot size I plus plus. So I will just start pushing these values into my priority queue, and at the same time I will also be calculating sum. So sum will be nums I. So in this way I have created I have got the count of the total sum of this array. Now I will make another variable. So let's say double half sum. So half sum will be sum by 2. Okay, and I will make another operation, another variable, let's call it OPS, operations, return OPS. Okay, so this was my operation. So now I will write a while loop. So while sum is greater than half sum, what I will do is that I will take the largest element, double largest is equal to what, pq dot top. I will remove this from our priority queue, pq dot pop. So our largest element has been removed. Now what I will do is that I will sum minus equal to largest by 2. So I have reduced the, I have halved this largest number and reduced it from the total sum. Now what I will do is that I will push this largest by 2 back into the priority queue, and in the end I will increase my operation count. So this is the entire code for the problem. Let's compile it. So it is working well. Now let's submit it. So it got submitted. So pretty straightforward. You have to use priority queue and then solve it and submit it. Priority queue, if you don't know about priority queue, it will be a priority queue C++ STL. You can just go on, read here all the operations on a priority queue. It's a pretty simple library. So that's all for this video. So if you like the video, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.